What's up, guys? Here doing a taste test video for you today. We got a bunch of flavored marshmallows. We've got a ton. So, whole bag.
Mommy, be ready for us tonight.
Alright, let's see. First one that I grabbed here. My sister and Randy have already broken into these. So, some of them are open. We haven't tried them yet, though. This is peach. It says jelly-filled sour peach marshmallows.
Sour.
We got these at Walmart.
Wait,
All of these came from Walmart. Yeah, it says they're sour.
Oh no, my mouth doesn't taste sour very well.
Yeah, that's right. Jordan did try them with her aunt.
So it's only us two this time.
Okay, here's yours.
Don't break it, Jordan.
Don't eat it yet.
Okay. It looks so weird. Kind of looks like perfume, kind of. It's a perfume.
Can you guys see it?
Ooh, it smells
Little
good.
peaches.
Smell it.
Ooh, it's got a little dark spot even, like a peach.
Yeah.
It smells delicious. It smells straight like a peach.
But it looks like perfume.
Yeah,
See?
perfume bottle.
Just start doing this.
Are we ready?
Okay.
We're going to put the whole thing in our mouth?
No, we're going to take it. I'm going to do the green with the and then the orange.
I'm just licking it first.
Pretty good.
The outside's not sour.
The outside
A little
tastes plain.
sour, I guess.
The outside tastes
It's only
plain.
the.
Oh, I just got a tingly feeling in my mouth. How is it, Mommy? I'm scared too. The green's good. Now I'm gonna try the orange. Or yellow, whatever color it is.
Well, either I somehow avoided the sour filling, or mine wasn't sour.
The last time I had those, I was drinking the bottom of my Aunt Kaylee's sour drink.
It doesn't
so
taste
I was
very
like,
good on the outside. I don't like the outside that much. Just eat it.
Is the inside sour to you?
No.
No?
mine was a little sour.
A little sour, I guess. Let's see. Next one I reached to grab. Another sour one.
Of course it is.
Sour apple marshmallows.
Sounds good.
I like apples.
I like apples too, so let's see how this goes.
Yeah, we should have
Ow.
had scissors.
Don't do that.
Why?
That hurts.
Should I go get
I didn't
scissors?
like that peach. I didn't like that peach. Well, at least it's
I
open.
dropped it. Oh, I smell apple.
I do?
I smell peach still.
Smells kind. It
Oh.
doesn't smell exactly like
It got
apples.
like I could smell it
There's
with
a plastic in my mouth.
I could smell it with my eyes. That's how strong
Doesn't
it is,
smell like
guys.
apple. It smells like sweet and stuff.
Apple for you.
What does
Looks
it have
like
inside of
For
it?
you.
Still looks like a
It
peach.
is filled. It doesn't say
Sour
it's filled
filling.
at all. It just says sour apple marshmallows.
I mean, if
Maybe
you,
the whole
Again.
thing is sour.
It looks like perfume.
yeah, it
It's a
looks
Cute
the
little
same
green
still.
apple.
I tried showing, but it's all white as you can see.
Yeah, you have to get a little bit close to the camera. Okay,
It's
the
actually
outside
kind
of
of
it
sour.
doesn't say sour to me.
To me, it's kind of sour.
The inside's where it gets sour.
How do you know?
Take a bite into it. It's a little sour.
I think my taste buds are broken.
Or
Not
mine
sour.
are. You
I
think
mean, I just licked the inside of the marshmallow and not sour.
Ah, that's gross.
yeah,
I don't think she likes it.
if you put it on your lips and lick your lips, like
One moment.
Okay.
it's not good, but it's not bad.
Who wants my apple?
It's not sour to me.
Who wants my apple?
No, you just set it aside and throw it away.
Oh, that tastes gross.
I've also been like sick or something lately, so might be my taste buds.
I didn't like that kind. Those browns.
Let's see. Next we've got
We got new brands.
Cupcake marshmallows.
And most of these are from the same brand.
I don't like
Yeah,
this
they
brand.
all came from Walmart.
I don't like this brand. It tastes horrible.
Well, they're all different flavors. This one is just vanilla.
I don't like it.
Vanilla flavored.
I don't like it.
Yeah. I don't know why
We
it's
both
called
can share one because I'm probably
It's a cupcake. It looks so
Look,
good.
there's a blue one for you.
Huh?
You can have a blue one.
You Trinity.
I don't have a pink one, so you can have a white one.
Yeah, it tastes pretty. Or it
Camera's
looks
right there.
good.
There you go.
It's all blue.
Mine pink.
Mine's the regular.
Oh, it's so
Just
pretty.
white and yellow.
Alrighty, here we go.
Always eat the vanilla first. It's my tip.
The whole thing's vanilla flavored. Until it just tastes like a regular marshmallow
Wait,
Just
covered
with-
in sugar.
the frosting, not vanilla.
Yeah.
Whenever I get cupcakes, I
Just regular marshmallow.
I don't like it at all. There's something wrong with that blue one.
Speaking of cupcakes, our birthday.
Mm-hmm.
Shane Dawson.
My birthday's in
cupcakes.
1 month.
Oh, these are the ones that I am most excited about. It's the one that started the whole marshmallow thing.
It's
I'm
banana.
allergic to bananas. Definitely allergic, just so everybody knows.
And melons.
But I love bananas. And I found artificially flavored banana marshmallows.
I love
So
bananas.
we'll see. So far,
That's why you
everyone
let 'em
said
dry.
that they do taste like banana.
I got sugar all
They
over them.
smell good.
Yes, they totally smell good.
It
They
looks,
smell like
it
the
looks
flowers
like
you used to have. The
cucumber
purple ones.
or
The
something.
purple long flowers.
The society garlic?
Yeah.
Yeah, society garlic.
It's
Is
so
anyone
weird.
there?
Little bananas.
Oh, I have
The bananas
wrong
don't work
side.
as phones as usual bananas
They're
do.
having problems.
No, they don't
Hello.
work.
It does taste like an actual banana.
Whoa, that tastes like a banana. That tastes
Pretty
good.
bomb.
I recommend these if you are like allergic to bananas or something. They're pretty good.
Or just get regular ones that taste like bananas because I don't like this stuff on the outside.
Oh well.
That was pretty good.
Those are bomb. I like them.
But if you keep it in your mouth
Aren't you
too long, it
allergic to
tastes horrible.
strawberries too?
No.
Oh.
She's only allergic to melons, all melons, and bananas.
Okay, next. Chocolatey filled strawberry marshmallows.
Ooh, chocolate filled.
That's what I need.
Yeah.
Our cat's sleeping in the background. Yeah.
There's his white muzzle.
Yeah, kitty cat tiny.
Don't explode it, Mommy. Marshmallows just everywhere. When one's
Ooh,
on
it
a
just
cat.
smells like strawberry.
It smells like
Oh,
the
it
fun
smells
dip.
weird.
Yeah, it
smells
smells like
kinda
the
weird,
fun
though.
dip stuff.
Look,
If you
some of
squeeze
that.
it, you can feel the chocolate that's inside.
I can't.
So
I'm gonna rip it apart.
these
Bite it.
are the strawberries.
Wait, before I
They
rip
look
it.
like cute little strawberries.
It looks like
final reveal.
ASMR.
Can you figure it out?
No, I keep doing this. I'm trying to do this
I
stuff.
know, right? It's hard. It's like doing it in a mirror. All right, are we ready?
So good.
Okay, come on.
Oh no! Oop, my top ripped off.
I'll show
There's,
them the
barely any
inside.
chocolate.
There's a little tiny line of chocolate, and I'm pretty sure they put the green little dollop to
What does
cover its
that look?
hole. Because mine came off, and there's a hole.
What does this look like?
I mean, I guess it's not terrible.
It looks like something.
I really don't like it,
Picking up
but... Okay, try your poop strawberry.
The problem.
Chocolate
It froze.
chocolate is delicious.
Oh, yeah? Is it good?
Yeah,
Is it approved? Trinity approved.
That
but
says
the outside isn't good.
Trinity's really picky, so that says something.
Okay. We saved the scariest for last.
Oh no! not
Wait,
the
that's
scary.
already all of them?
Yeah, that's all of that brand. This is a different brand. Also at Walmart though. Sour Patch Kids Marshmallows.
I like the yellow kind, so or
My
green,
favorite
whichever
ones
one,
are
green
the
or
blue.
yellow.
Let's see. The blue is blue raspberry. Red is red berry. Orange is orange. Green is lime. And yellow is lemon.
In my
I don't see yellow through the little window, so we'll see.
in my opinion, lime and lemons are delicious plain.
She's crazy.
What?
I don't want to elbow you.
Tiny's
Don't
just
knock
sitting
out my
there.
children.
Tiny's sitting there just watching us. He hears all of this.
The thumbnail. I accidentally knocked out my children.
It smells
Oh,
sour.
it smells like Sour Patch Kids.
It smells
No,
sour.
no, mommy.
It's like you're
Remember
smelling
the
something.
strings of the sour strings or whatever? The things about that big?
Literally just Sour Patch
The
Kids.
straws?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I love those. I like
Those
the
are
yellow and
delicious.
the green. That was the best.
Okay, let's see. We're gonna give you guys each one of each color. So hold them
They
so
smell
I can see what you've got here.
Don't forget
Maybe
yellow.
So,
Red.
this
Yellow?
is the yellow. Green. I'm just gonna set it on my lap.
Yellow. I like
This
the
is
yellow.
the orange.
Okay, I'm gonna have
Put
to.
these on my leg.
I don't want to put them down because it
I'm
has
putting
the
mine on
stuff.
my leg.
Yeah. Green.
Well, there's no point in trying to keep my
And
legs
red.
clean. They're already dirty.
That's all of them.
Oh darn! There's not a third yellow one.
We can split it.
Oh, I'm okay. Oh, she pulled his head off.
I get the head. This is what happens.
Sour Patch Kid.
This is what happens.
She sacrificed a Sour Patch Kid for me. That's love.
Yeah,
Thanks
but I
so
have
much.
its head.
She's
Alright.
She's eating the body, she's eating the head.
Are we ready for this?
Yeah, let's do yellow first.
Oh,
Yeah, yellow.
I hate lemon. Just
I
so
love
everyone
lemon.
knows. Here we go.
I already started.
Yellow.
Whoa, that's sour.
That is really fucking sour, dude.
It's like a real lemon, and I hate lemon.
Mommy. Devoured.
Here, I just pulled a head off. Oh well,
That's sour.
let's dehead it.
It's perfect.
Blue.
Blue.
Wait, I'm
orange,
still
orange.
chewing mine.
Hurry up.
We're gonna do this one.
We have to wait for your sister. Hold on.
Smells good.
I just swallowed. It hurt.
All right. Ready? Blue.
Boo. My favorite color.
Ah.
What?
Mmm.
Oh.
Sipped it. And it's
so
sour.
It's not
It tastes
sour.
so good.
What is wrong with you guys? It's not sour.
It's good.
It's good. But it's still sour.
What is happening on the back?
I know.
It's
Little
eyeballs.
dots.
They're eyeballs.
I'm licking mine.
What one next, Toonie?
Green.
Lemon.
Hey, look, I got a crazy hair loop going here. Won't go away.
Mom. Gotta meme that, guys. Screenshot it and meme it.
I hope I don't have sour sugar in my hair.
I
Come on,
like
you ready?
She ate the inside of it.
No, I
Green.
didn't.
Whatever.
Green. I'm so small.
Mmm. Did you hear
Whoa.
that pop?
No.
It's in my jaw. Every time
What
I
happened
open
to
and
my
close
pants?
it pops.
It's covered in sour sugar. And that just tastes like lime. It's gross. I don't like it. Orange?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought I ate my orange.
Save best for last. This one's red, not orange.
Red?
No.
Looks like a
We're
talkie.
Yeah, we're doing orange now.
I already licked it.
My guys have
Little orange man.
Mine look. Yours guys. You guys look yellow. Mine looks orange from the back.
Not bad. Kind of sour.
Not too bad.
I
Either
don't
that
like
or
the
the other
orange
ones
that much.
broke my tongue.
I don't like that very much.
Not bad.
Just from the lick of it. I don't think I'm gonna be able to eat it.
Well, then don't eat it. We've got a whole pile of discarded marshmallows over there.
Most
Show
of
'em.
them haven't been eaten.
It's a marshmallow graveyard.
Red.
Alrighty, we're doing red.
The talkie color. Red.
Yeah, they're Takis. It's the marshmallow Taki.
I don't like that.
It tastes like Taki. No,
That would burn.
it doesn't taste
Taki flavored marshmallows.
That
That would
sounds
be
good.
horrible.
That
That sounds
spicy
terrifying.
marshmallows.
That sounds so good.
That sounds terrifying.
I also love
I like the
Takis,
powder.
So.
I like
I'm
the
not
talkie
really a
powder.
fan of that.
Talkie powder is better than
It's
the
like-
normal chip.
Weird.
Guys,
Alright, overall, I probably won't eat any of them again, honestly.
I don't know if you guys can see what happened to my leg, but
Yeah, there's sour powder everywhere. Sorry, I'm like wiping it off my legs and my bed and everywhere. Hey, get off my bed to wipe it off.
Yeah, we're good.
Anyway, though.
Ow.
So, yeah, that's it. We tried all the marshmallows and all that fun stuff. And I probably will not eat a single one of them again. Would you put the cat down? Leave him alone. And, yeah, I don't know who else is going to eat them. My husband loves them. He wants to eat the crap out of them.
Give them to the kids.
Yeah, give them to Aunt Kaylee and her kids.
Give them to these kids.
I don't like them.
Some of them I like.
Someone will eat them.
I think there should be a Taki marshmallow though. That sounds good.
What is
Spicy marshmallow.
Out of
I
Oh.
love
of-
Takis.
out of all of these marshmallows? Which one was your favorite?
I guess the banana.
My favorite was the apple, green apple.
Mine was I didn't really like any of them.
Yeah.
Honestly,
You said you kind of liked the strawberry one because the chocolate.
yeah, I loved. It was a little iffy for the banana. The banana
It was
on the first
terrible.
taste tasted good. The aftertaste, on the other hand, was like.
Yeah, I kind of agree with that on that one for sure. The aftertaste was a little funky. Like I said, I probably won't eat any of them ever again. But the banana one was my favorite.
Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell.
And make sure to give a big like.
Apparently, we're ending the video. Bye, guys. I'll catch you later.